Ever wondered how the wealthiest people manage their money differently? Their success isn't just about luck or being born into wealth. The top 1% have specific habits and strategies that lead to long-term financial success. In this video, we're diving deep into the secrets of how the 1% budget, save, invest, and grow their wealth. All right, let's talk about money, specifically how to make more of it. Because let's face it, money makes the world go round. Most people jump into budgeting by cutting back on lattes and avocado toast. They think small savings will add up. But the wealthy, they focus on boosting their income first. They understand that increasing income has a far greater impact. Think about it. Jeff Bezos didn't get rich by clipping coupons. He built Amazon. He focused on creating value and scaling it. And Elon Musk? He's revolutionizing transportation and space travel. His ventures are all about big ideas and even bigger returns. These guys focused on building businesses that generate massive income. They didn't settle for small gains. Now, I'm not saying you need to start the next Amazon, but you can certainly think bigger than just saving a few dollars. But you do need to shift your mindset. It's about seeing opportunities where others see obstacles. Instead of obsessing over saving a few bucks, focus on increasing your earning potential. The sky's the limit. How? Develop high-income skills, explore lucrative side hustles, or invest in assets that generate passive income. Diversify your income streams. Remember, there's a limit to how much you can save, but your income potential? That has the potential to be limitless. It's all about scaling up. Think about it like this. If you're only making $50,000 a year, even saving 50% still leaves you with limited options. Your growth is capped, but if you can increase that income to $100,000, $150,000, or even more, suddenly your savings rate has a much bigger impact. Your financial freedom expands. So before you even think about cutting back, ask yourself, how can I make more money? What avenues have I not explored yet? What skills can I learn? What new abilities can I develop that will increase my value in the marketplace? What opportunities can I seize? Look around. There are always new opportunities waiting to be discovered. Learning a new skill or starting a side hustle takes time and effort. But the payoff can be substantial. Because when you focus on increasing your income, you're not just earning more money. You're investing in yourself and your future. You're building a foundation for long-term success. Okay, you know the classic 50/30/20 budget rule, right? It's a simple and effective way to manage your finances. 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Sounds reasonable, right? This rule is designed to help you balance your spending and saving in a manageable way. Well, the 1% play this game a little differently. They have a unique approach to managing their wealth. See, while saving 20% is a good starting point, the wealthy understand that real wealth building requires putting your money to work harder and smarter. Instead of just saving, they focus on investing. The wealthy know that investments can generate significant returns over time. Instead of funneling 50% into needs, they often shift a larger chunk towards investments. This strategy helps them grow their wealth exponentially. They understand that by investing 50% or more of their income, they're essentially telling their money to make more money. Think about it. If you're investing a significant portion of your income, you're setting yourself up for substantial financial growth. You're essentially creating a cycle where your money works for you, generating more wealth over time. Now, I'm not saying to neglect your needs entirely. It's important to cover your basic expenses. But take a hard look at your spending. Are there areas where you can cut back? Can you trim some fat from that needs category? Maybe downsize your apartment? Or find a more cost-effective living situation? Cook more meals at home instead of dining out frequently. Or find more affordable alternatives for everyday expenses. Every little bit helps. The goal here is to free up as much cash flow as possible to fuel your investments. The more you can invest, the better. The more you invest, the faster your money compounds and the closer you get to financial freedom. Financial freedom means having the ability to live life on your own terms without financial stress. The 1% get this, and they prioritize putting their money to work in investments that have the potential for high returns. It's all about managing risk and making informed decisions. They don't just throw money around, they strategize. It's crucial to understand the risks involved and to make decisions based on thorough research and planning. The key takeaway here is this: don't be afraid to adjust the traditional budgeting rules to fit your wealth-building goals. Remember, the 1% didn't get rich by playing it safe. They took calculated risks and made their money work for them. They understood the importance of making informed decisions and leveraging their resources effectively. So, take a page from their playbook and start making your money work for you. The path to financial freedom is within your reach. Ever wonder how the super rich avoid lifestyle inflation? The 1% have a secret weapon: automation. They automate their savings and investments, making wealth building effortless and consistent. When you automate your finances, you're essentially putting your wealth building on autopilot. Money flows directly into your savings, investments, and retirement accounts without you even having to think about it. It's like setting up a system that grows your wealth while you sleep. Start by setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account each month. Think of it like paying yourself first. Next, automate your investments. Most brokerage accounts offer automatic investment plans, allowing you to invest a set amount of money in stocks, bonds, or mutual funds on a regular basis. And don't forget about retirement. Max out those 401k contributions and consider opening an IRA. Automating your finances is like having a personal finance assistant working for you 24/7. The 1% understand this, and now you do too. Chapter 4. Leveraging debt like the 1% building an empire. Alright, let's talk about a topic that often makes people squirm: debt. Most people view debt as the enemy, something to be avoided at all costs. But the 1%, they see debt as a powerful tool, a way to leverage their resources and build wealth faster. Now, before you run for the hills, let me clarify. I'm not talking about racking up credit card debt and drowning in interest payments. I'm talking about strategic debt, the kind that helps you acquire income-producing assets. Think about real estate investors for a second. They often use mortgages to purchase properties, then rent those properties out to generate passive income. The rent covers the mortgage payments and any profit goes straight into their pockets. That's the power of leveraging debt strategically. Entrepreneurs often use loans to start or grow their businesses. They understand that taking on debt can be a calculated risk that leads to significant rewards down the road. Before taking on any debt, carefully consider the terms, interest rates, and your ability to repay. Make sure the potential return on your investment outweighs the cost of borrowing. By understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt, you too can leverage debt to your advantage and unlock new levels of financial success. Chapter 5. Track your spending like a CFO. Every dollar has a job. Ever wonder how the wealthiest people seem to have such a firm grip on their finances? It's not just luck or having more money, it's about having a strategy. It's like they have a sixth sense for where their money is going. They know exactly what each dollar is doing and where it's headed. Well, it's not magic. It's all about treating your personal finances like a well-run business. This means being diligent and proactive, and that means tracking and optimizing your spending like a CFO. A chief financial officer meticulously monitors every financial detail. The 1% understand that every dollar has a job. They assign each dollar a specific purpose, ensuring it contributes to their financial goals. They don't just spend money haphazardly, they allocate it intentionally towards their goals and priorities. This disciplined approach is key. They track their expenses meticulously, identify areas for improvement, and make adjustments as needed. This constant vigilance pays off. Luckily, we live in a digital age with incredible tools at our disposal. These tools can simplify the process significantly. There are countless budgeting apps and software programs that can automate much of the heavy lifting for you. They make tracking easier and more efficient. These apps connect to your bank accounts and credit cards, automatically categorizing your transactions and providing you with a clear picture of your spending habits. This automation saves time and reduces errors. You can set budgets for different categories, track your progress over time, and identify areas where you might be overspending. This helps you stay on track. Once you have a clear understanding of your spending patterns, you can start making strategic adjustments. This is where real change happens. By tracking your spending like a CFO, you'll gain valuable insights into your financial behavior, identify areas for improvement, and free up more cash flow to invest in your future. This disciplined approach can lead to financial freedom and success. Chapter 6. The Secret Sauce. Investing in your financial education. Now here's a secret that most people overlook. The wealthiest individuals are often the most financially literate. They understand that building wealth isn't just about luck or inheritance, it's about knowledge, strategy, and constantly expanding your financial IQ. Think about it. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time, famously reads for hours each day. Bill Gates, another billionaire titan, is an avid reader and lifelong learner. These individuals understand that knowledge is power, especially when it comes to managing money. Now, I'm not saying you need to become a financial expert overnight, but I am encouraging you to make financial education a lifelong pursuit. Dedicate time each week to reading books, listening to podcasts, or watching videos on personal finance, investing, and wealth building. The more you learn about managing money, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions about your own finances. Remember, investing in your financial education is one of the highest return investments you can make. Your journey to financial freedom starts today. So there you have it, the secrets of how the top 1% budget, save, invest, and grow their wealth. Now tell me in the comments, which strategy are you most excited to implement first? Hit that like button if you found this video valuable, and subscribe for more AI-powered finance tips and tricks. Until next time, stay informed, stay invested, and keep building that wealth. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on achieving financial freedom.